In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Airtable to Make.com. So this part is really easy. First things first, head over to Make.com. Once you're in there, you will be prompted to log in or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can head over and click onto this login option. However, if you do not have an account yet, click onto this Get Started Free option right there. So on my case, I already have an account. Let me head over and click onto this login option that we can see right there. Now from this should be able to create in here the actual thing that we want. So once you have successfully logged in or signed up, you can see in here the organization that you have. So on this organization, we just need to connect our actual Airtable. So doing this is actually really easy. Just need to wait for the organization to load right there into your actual dashboard. Now, once it's done loading, head over right here to the scenarios option. And from in there, click on this create new scenario or open scenario builder option. Now, into this part, just head over and wait for this to load. And after it, click onto this plus icon. And then search in here for Airtable. You can also not search for it anymore because you can already see it right here since it's sorted alphabetically on some cases. Click on Airtable option and choosing here the automation that you want to use for your Airtable. For this one, I'll just choose in here the search records option. And then after that, you'll be prompted to create the connection. So click on this create the connection option and choose in here the connection type. Can be OAuth or token or key. So if you choose token or key, you will be prompted to input right here your personal access token that you can get from Airtable, or you can also choose the OAuth option and then click on save. Then just wait for this to be prompted to be connected. So that's how you connect Airtable to Make.com. Hope we helped.